Detox with these 7 delicious juices. Day 1, green juice. 2 cups kale. 1 cucumber. 2 stalks celery. 1 green apple. 1/2 lemon. 1 inch ginger. This juice is packed with nutrients and antioxidants. Kale is high in vitamin C, vitamin K, and other antioxidants, while cucumber and celery provide hydration and electrolytes. Apples add a touch of sweetness, while lemon and ginger provide a refreshing kick and additional anti-inflammatory benefits. Day 2, carrot apple ginger juice. 4 carrots. 2 apples. 1 inch ginger. Carrots are rich in vitamin A and other antioxidants, which can help to promote healthy skin, eyes, and immune function. Apples add sweetness and provide additional antioxidants, while ginger helps to reduce inflammation and can aid in digestion. Day 3, beetroot juice. 1 large beetroot. 1 apple. 1/2 lemon. 1 inch ginger. Beetroot is high in nitrates, which can help to lower blood pressure and improve exercise performance. It is also a good source of folate, iron, and vitamin C. Apples, lemon, and ginger add sweetness and additional anti-inflammatory benefits. Day 4, pineapple carrot orange juice. 2 cups pineapple. 2 large carrots. 2 oranges. This juice is a great source of vitamin C, which is essential for immune function and skin health. Pineapple contains an enzyme called bromelain, which can aid in digestion and reduce inflammation. Carrots provide additional antioxidants and vitamin A, while oranges add sweetness and additional vitamin C. Day 5, watermelon cucumber lime juice. 4 cups watermelon. 1 cucumber. 1 lime. Watermelon is a great source of hydration and contains antioxidants like lycopene and vitamin C. Cucumber provides additional hydration and electrolytes, while lime adds a refreshing kick and additional vitamin C. Day 6, cranberry orange juice. 2 cups cranberries. 2 oranges. 1 apple. Cranberries are high in antioxidants and can help to prevent urinary tract infections. Oranges and apples provide additional antioxidants and vitamin C, making this a great choice for immune function and overall health. Day 7, tomato vegetable juice. 2 large tomatoes. 1 red bell pepper. 1 carrot. 1 celery stalk. 1/2 lemon. Tomatoes are high in lycopene, which can help to protect against cancer and promote heart health. Red bell pepper and carrot provide additional antioxidants and vitamin C, while celery provides hydration and electrolytes. Lemon adds a refreshing kick and additional anti-inflammatory benefits. These juices are all packed with vitamins, minerals, and other essential nutrients to support a healthy body. Remember to also stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water and to incorporate a variety of nutrient-rich foods into your diet. Regular exercise and adequate sleep are also important for maintaining a healthy body. By incorporating these delicious and nutritious juices into your diet, you'll be well on your way to a healthier and happier you. Cheers to good health.